Hi, Rose Red Homestead, and as you can see, we are not in our kitchen. We are here at Bryce National Park, and we are on vacation and camping here for several days. And I just decided this is a perfect venue for us to do some off-grid cooking, because this is really off-grid cooking. So we're going to finish up the last two recipes in the 2 chickens, 12 meals for 2 people booklet. And it's a good thing that I'm doing these, because I found a little error in one of the recipes today, and I'll tell you about that in just a second. So our 2 meals today are chicken primavera and then Parmesan crusted chicken. And we're going to be cooking here on the flat top, which is powered by propane. So I'm just going to check we're more than ready to go. So let's go ahead and begin, and I'll meet you over here at the griddle. So there is thunder in the distance. We're going to have to make this quick. So I'm just going to, first thing is put a little bit of oil on this griddle in a couple of places, and then I'll be spreading it around. Can you hand me the Parmesan chicken, please? So the Parmesan chicken is already prepared. I cut 2 of the chicken breasts from those that we did when we cut the chicken up. So here are 2 breasts, and I sliced them down the middle, and then I dipped them in an egg wash, an egg bath that is described in the recipe. And remember, this is a free download, so all you need to do is go to our bookstore and download the booklet if you have not seen it yet. So I've dipped it in egg and then in flour that was also sprinkled with a whole lot of Lowry's seasoned salt, back in the egg, and then crusted it with Parmesan, dipped it in Parmesan cheese again. And so we're going to let these start to go while I get started on the primavera. So this is going to be the Parmesan chicken half, and this is going to be the primavera. I had to make some adjustments with the primavera, as you will too if you cook it off grid, because no microwave, and this recipe calls for a microwave. And so the order that we do things is going to be just a little bit different. I'm going to go ahead and quickly stir fry the chicken. Meanwhile, here are the veggies. Now, these were supposed to go in the microwave along with some other things, some ghee and some garlic and some brown mustard. And instead of doing it in a microwave, I just put it on the top of the stove and heated it, let it on low for about 5 minutes, and then put the lid on. And hopefully we have accomplished about the same thing that we would if we were doing it in a microwave. So I need to get these chickens a little bit more done. The error in the recipe was in the primavera. The ingredients call for a red pepper, a sweet bell pepper, red, cut into strips, and then it doesn't tell you what to do with it. So in your booklets, you might want to just note that you add the bell pepper to the vegetables in the microwave, or in this case on the top of the stove, just along with the tomatoes and the green beans. I want these to get a golden crust on them. So I need to check the temperature. It's down quite a bit and down quite a bit, so I'm going to turn it up. We need it to be about 350. Oh, look at that golden crust. That's perfect. This is our favorite way to have chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and put the dome over the chicken to make sure that it gets done all the way. We've we've been riding our four-wheelers all over the place, and so I have a little bit of helmet hair going on here. No earrings, like usual. I'm camping. All right, so here we go. We're ready now to add the veggies. Now these veggies have a little bit of marinade with them now, and so this is going to be the tricky part, because chicken primavera, the recipe calls for it to be cooked in a frying pan, and so we've got a lot of juice here that I'm going to want to save. And the amount of chicken here was also 2 chicken breasts. Each of these meals will do 2, so 2 here and 2 here. So that's 4 total meals. And we'll have half, and then we'll save half for later. So this is now just the final cooking of the primavera. Trying to capture the sauce, get everything warm all the way through. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. Can you smell it, Jim?
I could a few moments ago, I can't now.
Check these. These are almost done. Is really a very pretty meal. It's a meal unto itself. It's got meat and veggies all in one. And essentially you can do it in a cast iron skillet, but you know what? It's working just fine here on the flat top. So I'm just going to get all the solids and get them in this bowl.
Bend the bowl down a little bit so we can see. There we go, that's it.
Steamy hot. Which are we going to have for dinner tonight, Jim?
I haven't the vaguest idea. We'll have to figure that out. I think some of both would be a little bit overkill.
It would. So I'm going to try to get this sauce in here too. Got most of it.
That's not too bad.
Okay, that is done.
Okay, do you want to put that over here?
Turning the flat top off.
Hold it. There you go.
Moving the chicken to a clean plate. And look what a nice size these are. So this will easily be 2 very nice meals for Jim and me. And then of course we'll put other things with it, like a vegetable in a salad or some other things that might go really well with this. So this concludes the last 2 meals. 2 meals here and 2 meals for the primavera. So 4 meals altogether, and that's it. So we finished the last of the recipes for 2 chickens. So this has been a fun activity for us, and we hope you've enjoyed it very much. And we will see you at our next video, which most likely will be back in our kitchen at the end of our vacation. So see you then.